factor tree of 484. So 484, it can be written as 2 and 242. So 2 times 242 means 484. 242, it can be written as 2 and 121. So 2 times 121 means 442. 121, it can be written as 11 and 11. So 11 times 11 means 121. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here are 2, 2, 11 and 11. So we can write 484 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 11 times this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.